In this video, you'll learn how to highlight events in Google Calendar so they stand out and are easier to spot at a glance. Whether you're managing a busy work schedule, personal appointments, or a mix of both, using colors effectively can make your calendar much more readable and less overwhelming. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to apply highlight colors to any event you choose. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that contains the calendar you want to work with. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check the profile icon in the top right corner so you're in the right one. Once your calendar loads, you'll see your events laid out by day, week, or month, depending on your current view. You can use the options in the top right to switch views if that helps you see your events more clearly. Next, find the event you want to highlight. This can be any event on your calendar, a meeting, an appointment, a reminder, or something personal you've added yourself. Take a moment to think about what you're trying to emphasize. For example, you might want to highlight deadlines, travel days, or important personal events like birthdays or anniversaries. Using colors with intention will make your calendar much more useful. Now, move your mouse over the event you want to change. Instead of left-clicking, you're going to right-click on the event. On most computers, that means clicking the right mouse button. If you're on a trackpad, this might be a two-finger click or a click while holding down a modifier key, depending on your settings. The key idea is to open the context menu for that event rather than opening the event's full details. When you right-click the event, a small menu will appear next to it. This menu gives you quick options related to that specific event. Look for the section that shows a row or grid of colors. These are the highlight or event colors you can apply. Each color is purely visual, so you can choose any scheme that makes sense to you. For example, you might use red for high priority tasks, blue for meetings, green for personal time, and yellow for reminders. Click on the highlight color you want to use for that event. As soon as you select a color, you'll see the event on your calendar update immediately. The background or accent color of the event block will change to the color you picked, making it stand out from other items around it. You can repeat this process for as many events as you like. Right-click another event, choose a color, and watch it update. Over time, you can develop a simple color system that helps you understand your day at a glance without needing to read every single event title.